I gotta change this tailgate handle. It broke. But I'm gonna show you what to do. We start by taking these 3 freaking screws out right here. I already took the other 2 out. Remove these 2 clips. And you just take out the old assembly. The new one goes in place. You put 1 screw in, hold that motherfucker in place right there. The hook on the end of the rod goes in the hole. Yeah, manipulate it all around so that rod goes in that clip there. And you push the clip over the rod. Get it to both sides. You're tying up your 1 screw. Alright, get it tight. And that holds that in place. Start with the bottom. You go in those little holes there. And this just snaps into place. Snap, snap. And you just tighten up your screws and you're done. And that's how you change the tailgate handle on a Chevy.